the another topic called force, work and energy. So let's get started. Force. A push or pull applied to an object is called force. For example, if I want to pull this board, then I am applying force to it. Now, there are 6 types of forces like muscular force, mechanical force, gravitational force, frictional force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, and many more. So, let's study about it. Muscular force, a force which is exerted by using body parts. For example, while I am pulling this board, and the force is also happening, and inside my body the muscles in my body are working. Mechanical force, a force which we use only vehicles in our daily lives. For example, whenever we use any vehicle like car, bus, train and many more, they require mechanical force. Gravitation force, a force that any two objects with force. For example, this is the earth and this is the sun. So the sun forces all the planets including earth to revolve around it. And did you know that gravitation force was invented by Sir Isaac Newton by observing an apple falling down from a tree, and the gravitation force is also known as gravity. Friction force, a force that opposes the relative motion of two contact areas. For example, this marker are my feet. And this is the ground. So as I'm walking, there is a distance and gap between them. So inside the gap, the friction force is happening. Magnetic force, a force which is attracted by a magnet to another object like iron. For example, this is a magnet and this is a magnet. They attract each other. Electrostatic force, a force which is attractive and repulsive force between particles and are caused due to their electric charges. For example, whenever we comb our hair, you must have noticed that something is very like you are having electric charges in your hair by combing your hair. So that is an example of electrostatic force. Now, what is a work? In science, work is said to be done when the force is applied to an object. For example, when I'm pushing now, instead of pulling, I want to push this board. So while I'm pushing, the force is also being applied and the work is also being done by here. Energy. The energy is defined as the ability to do work. For example, while I'm pushing this board, the force is also happening, work is also happening, and energy. Now there are 2 types of energy like kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, a form of energy that an object or particle has by reason of its motion. For example, this marker is a ball and this is the ground. While the ball is rolling on the ground, so there is a kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is forcing the ball to move. Potential energy, a form of energy which stores in an object due to its motion. For now, as this is the last topic for our video, so let's take a real example for it. Here, as you can see, I have a rubber band, and while I'm stretching it, the potential energy is happening as I'm stretching the rubber band. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it. So like, subscribe and share this to your all friends, and I hope your friends will also like it too. So bye bye, see you in next video.